All right, Junksters, we're gonna go a little different today and talk about your prices. So about, I don't know, about 3 weeks ago, I signed on a new client to the contact center, and his taxes weren't included in his prices. And we were talking about that, and I suggested to put the taxes in his prices, and he wasn't really all that keen on it. But we started talking about it, and he ended up changing his mind. The reason behind it is a lot of customers, and as a consumer myself, I look at this too. Nobody wants to look at an invoice with all these different things that they get charged for. You know, you just don't feel, you kind of feel like, even though it's valid, you know, you've got expenses, guys, we know. But the customer doesn't always know that, and you know it's all about them. So, you know, you look at something and you just kind of feel like you're being nickeled and dimed. And in some ways, you almost feel like you're being taken advantage of. You're not, I know that, but the customer sometimes can feel that way. So if you're explaining to a customer how you price, put it all in there. Put the taxes in there. Try, you know, sit down one night and figure out exactly how much you would need to charge for each size load in order to make that profit and still pay the taxes. Because if you tell a customer, you know, it's going to be somewhere around $350 plus tax, or it's going to be somewhere around $350, and that includes everything. It includes the fees we got to pay the recycling center, it includes the labor for the guys, and it includes state taxes. That just sounds better. And I think the customer is going to be more comfortable with you, and you're really giving a great opportunity for a good review, yet again, a customer that feels comfortable with you. They don't feel like they're being cheated or taken advantage of. And you're a great opportunity for a return customer because, again, they feel comfortable with you. So yeah, put the taxes in your prices. I think you're going to see that it's going to make a big difference.